Hello, this is Sketchpup Series 4, Episode 3, and I've got a new pen which is green, and today it's going to be your average dog. So yeah, just your cool average dog. First of all, we're going to draw a line, then form the muzzle. That's going to be the basic part of our dog. Then we're going to do that. See that? And then colour the outside in green so it looks quite shiny. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the ear. So it comes down, comes up, that. So yeah, that's the ear of our puppy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the eye about around here. And then we're going to do the body. Actually, no. Actually, I'm going to decide in this episode I'm just going to do that, right? Do that. And then it's going to come up. Quite a fat leg. It's just going to be a side view of a dog. Back leg slightly bigger. Then we're going to curve it like that. And the tail is going to be like that. And, oh gosh, you didn't see half of that. I hate it when this happens. Right. And then you'd colour in the tail. And you'd colour in the ear. And add wee paw marks. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and goodbye from Sketchpup, episode 3 of Series 4.